Good. Where you at? There you is. How's our light look? I think it's good right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Shoot, where you at? All right, right?
Yeah.
Me.
Nice.
You gotta warm up the boys. What's going on? How you guys doing today? Guess what? It's Friday. We are taking the day off of work. We are heading out to Passage Key. We've been there a few times before. I'll leave a link to the videos down in the description for you guys to check those out. We're taking off Friday. Friday, we're calling in sick. Actually, we didn't call in sick. We just took the
personal day.
Just a personal day. So we just took a personal day. We're going to try to take off like a day each month during the boating season. That is the goal. We've been checking the weather. It's going to be super flat, not much wind, but this morning we checked the radar. It looks like there's going to be some rain. So it's too late. Took the day off.
It's too late.
We're gonna make it work. So that's the play. We're gonna go out there. I got my dry bag so I can put the camera equipment in there if we get rained on. Didn't look too bad. Hopefully it'll be fine. But so the play is we are gonna be putting in at the Fort De Soto.
Fort De Soto boat ramp.
Fort De Soto boat ramp. It's during the week, which is really cool because you got that weekday crew. So it's totally different than on the weekend. So it won't be busy at all. There's still, I believe it's only one ramp. We'll film it and stuff when we get out there. So we're gonna do that. Then this weekend we are heading out to Orlando for a date night. We're gonna do it's a sushi date night at Kabuki Sushi. We try to go there as often as we can. If you're in the Orlando area, check out Kabuki Sushi. It's premium sushi. So
delicious.
Enough yapping, right? So. Whoosh.
Why'd you even call me up when I never wanna see ya? I'm just on my way back home, little drunk and alone, but I'd rather kick ya. Even though it's Friday night and I got no plans tomorrow, I could use a bam, 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 but it's not from you, cause I'm not that hollow. Baby,
we are live here. All right, so we are coming up to the world famous Passage Key. It's right out there.
Coming to you live.
What?
Coming to you live.
Coming to you live.
From Passage Key.
Coming to you live from Passage Key. You know what they say, sun's out, buns out.
Yeah. Are they towing like a little dinghy or something?
Oh yeah, that's their dinghy over there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over there. We can see those waves breaking, so we know it's a little rough in that area. It's gonna be some shallow water. We see some people over there. I see there's a boat there. There's that catamaran. He's way off in the distance, but we're just kind of being careful. We've only been here a few times, so we are not professional. We are just two random people from YouTube. Yeah, just two randos.
We are not professionals.
We are not professionals at all. We're just out here having a good time, having fun.
Yeah, you can see the waves cresting there. That's good.
You see those boats over there?
Over there. Yep. Okay.
So we're gonna kind of go by them-ish. So not by those waves. And what we're gonna do is hopefully we can get away with just putting down one anchor. Put down one anchor. You know, the sun has come out now, so it's we have to put our sunblock on. The SPF 50, the Sun Bomb. So if you want to roll with us, you gotta get this. Not sponsored, of course. I just love how it smells like coconut. You know, so it's good stuff.
I'm good with the generic no ad spray.
You remember no ad from back in the day? Yeah. So Captain's gonna go over there. She's gonna make her turn here shortly, and yeah, this looks like a good time actually.
It's just like a good time.
A good time. Sure. They got suns out, buns out on that boat?
I can't tell.
Oh, yeah. we need binoculars or something. So, all right, cool. What we do is we got the. Oh, you already did it. Shoot, you're good.
What I do?
It was on the second battery. When did you do that? Earlier?
I did that when we were at the ramp.
Spot. Yeah. That's cool. So we're just gonna trim up. We got two batteries. That way we can.
Do you want me to put the bimini out there?
Yeah, I think we're gonna do the bimini because I think it's gonna be a little bit roasty. So we're gonna do the bimini out here. All right, cool. We're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna finish our mimosa hour. We're gonna put that bimini top, and we're gonna chill here for a little bit.
Yep.
Thank you for coming along with us today. What's up, everybody? That's a nice. That's a
Nice boat!
It's a nice boat. Yeah. So cool. All right. So see you guys in a bit. Peace.
Nobody gets it, nobody man, nobody fam. Nobody realizes on the ground with the stuff that we're trying to overstand. Nobody gets it, nobody man, nobody fam. Nobody realizes on the ground with the stuff that we're trying to overstand.
What we're getting ready to do is we're gonna go do our
What we're gonna do here, people?
the thumbnail picture. So the tide's been going out, and we are going to take. I don't know if this will be the thumbnail picture. We got a couple. Well, you got a couple different styles, so we'll see.
We'll get some thumbnails.
Yeah.
You can,
So what we're doing now is we are getting some different thumbnail shots here to kind of show you what we're working with. Probably take a few.
it's a long walk, babe.
It's nice, huh? Got 2 GoPro cameras. I'm getting ready to do an upgrade on the cameras. I want to get a Sony ZV-E10, the 2nd edition. So we'll get that. This is the other GoPro. We got a GoPro 9 and a GoPro 13.
So I'm gonna set some stuff down over here. Oh, look at all the birdies!
That's super cool. Super cool. All right, so what are you thinking?
Well, they'll be, I mean, just,
You're gonna keep the bottoms on, right?
yeah, I gotta keep the bottoms on.
All right, keep the bottoms on, top is on. All right, so give me the camera.
Whatever.
All right, so now we're getting that. That's cool. Yeah, this is we did another BTS scene there.
What's BTS?
Behind the scenes.
Oh,
So there we go. We're recording it. I mean, I'm liking it. You know. Oh. All right, do that again one more time. Let's see. There we go. Cool. All right. I mean, that's probably the shot. I think we're gonna do that. The shot. Hold on, right there. I'm gonna try to do the thirds where you're all the way into the third. Let's see. Okay.
Can I tell you that